Whether you're in the backyard camping or even powering your entire home, it can be done with a small box that you can carry around with you and you won't even know when the power goes out. Essentially, it's a box with some outlets that you can plug stuff into, even your entire home. It's that simple. This video will help you understand how much power you use, how many watts you need to power your lifestyle, and which solar power generators are right for you. This is the ultimate buyer's guide to available portable power stations and solar panels. Welcome to the Adventure Tech channel. We focus on cost-effective, high-quality solutions to a more comfortable and affordable lifestyle using the most advanced and current technologies available, including solar power, portable power generators, electric vehicles, and more. Technology is moving really quickly these days, so it's easy to be left behind. I'm going to help make things easy for you. I'll do the research so you don't have to. But why should you trust me? Well, I spent over 10 years traveling around the United States as an industrial and environmental inspector using advanced technology like ultrasound and electromagnets to literally see through and inspect machinery. As an inspector, I've experienced with nearly every component you'll find in these places. I've spent time hundreds of feet high, hanging off of towers, taking thickness readings, crawling through 8-inch wide manways into dryer cans that make paper, and even spent time inside tanks that hold the most dangerous chemicals known to man, requiring full oxygen even near the entrance to these tanks. Plus, I've driven days straight across the country and know all about what works and what doesn't on the road and in off-grid situations. Now I'm happy to share what I've learned and my experiences with you. This is another more popular brand that will likely be around long enough to help you if there's any issues with your solar power station setups. They feature advanced temperature sensors to ensure safety, boasting a 12-layer safety net including 9 temperature sensors. 20-year lifespan on these and 4 years on standby, not too bad. Fully charged in 2 to 3 hours. These are all lithium-ion batteries as well. They all have a variety of charging ports and outlets, but no charging pads for cell phone. The lifestyle of these batteries seem to be 1,000 recharges up to 80% capacity. Another great thing about these solid-state batteries is that they work at low and high temperatures pretty well, so they're pretty safe. The 3000 Pro is 3 kilowatt hours with an output of 3000 watt, 6000 watt peak. This is not upgradable with expansion batteries. The cost is $2,800 right now and it weighs about 64 pounds. The 2000 Pro is 2.1 kilowatt hour station with 2200 watt output and 44 peak. Price is currently $1,900 and weighs about 43 pounds. Again, this is not upgradable with expansion batteries. The 1500 Pro is 1.5 kilowatt power station with 1800 watt output and 3600 watt peak. Price is currently $1,700 and weighs about 38 pounds. Again, you cannot upgrade this with expansion batteries. The 1000 Pro is a 1 kilowatt power station with 1000 watt output and 2000 watt peak. The price is currently $1,100 and weighs about 22 pounds. This is not upgradable with expansion batteries. The 2000 Plus starts at $2,200, giving you storage of 2 kilowatt hours and an output of 3000 watts and 6000 peak. You can upgrade this system with up to 24 kilowatt hours, which is nearly your daily usage. The 1000 Plus starts at $1,200 and gives you a storage of 1.2 kilowatt hours and an output of 2000 watts, 4000 peak. You can upgrade this system with expansion batteries up to 5 kilowatt hours or about 1/6 your daily use. This station weighs about 32 pounds. All the rest of these models are not upgradable with expansion batteries. The 1500 is 1.5 kilowatt hours at $1,700, giving you 1800 watt, 3600 watt peak. It weighs about 35 pounds. The 1000 is 1 kilowatt hours for $1,000, giving you an output of 1000 watts and 2000 peak. Weighs about 22 pounds. The 500 is 0.5 kilowatts for $500, giving you an output of 500 watts and 1000 peak. Weighs about 13 pounds. The 300 Plus is 0.28 kilowatt hours for $300, giving you an output of 300 watts and 600 watt peak. It weighs about 8 pounds. The 240 is 0.24 kilowatt hours for $239, giving you an output of 200 watts and 400 peak. It weighs about 6.5 pounds. These are all the power stations available at this time from Jackery. They seem to be an okay company, but there is more limited quality when compared to Bluetti. Namely, Bluetti batteries will last 4 times as long. These panels have kickstands and seem to have a nice rigid edge to help protect the structure. They're water and dust resistant, IP65 to 68 rating. They operate in very low temps as low as 14 degrees and as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. They claim 24.3 to 25% conversion rate. They have 3 different Solar Saga series panels right now available. The 80 watt model seems to be sold out but costs $250, giving you about $3.11 per watt. They're dual sided, so they do pick up light bouncing off earth from underneath the panels, which I heard are really great for days when the sun isn't good and during the winter. They claim to have a 25% conversion rate. The 100 watt panels cost $300, putting you at $3 per watt. These aren't dual sided. The last model they have is the 200 watt model, costing $700. With some promos that seem to be going on right now, you can get another $200 off. At $700, it would put you at $3.50 per watt. Jackery panels are more expensive than Bluettis per watt, but they do offer the 80 watt panels that are dual sided. Look at the power stations organized by cost per megawatt hour. You have a range here. Anker seems to be right in the middle, EcoFlow and Bluetti the cheapest, and Jackery seems to be the most expensive. Next, we're going to be taking a look at the power stations organized by megawatt hour per pound and weight. The heavier devices that can't store as much power per pound of weight are the Bluettis and some of the Anker devices. When you get down into the best, most efficient devices that can give you the most storage per weight, you're looking at Jackery and EcoFlow. Those are some of the most efficient devices, giving you the lightest weight. So I would recommend those companies if you're looking for something really light and portable. If you're not too worried about portability and things like that, head right over to Bluetti. Now taking a look at the solar panels organized by cost per watt. EcoFlow is right there on top of Bluetti. They have some of the best deals, including $1.53 per watt. That's amazing. Then when you get on the more expensive end, you're looking at Anker and Jackery. They seem to be the most expensive solar panels right now on the market as far as these companies go. This data sheet took hours and hours to put together. I really hope it helps you guys out. Now, on this channel, I'm always putting in hard work to save you time and money. I genuinely want to help. I never use AI or anything like that to create my content. 100% hard work. So please do that. Click on the thumbs up thing, leave a comment and subscribe, and most importantly, click the bell icon to be able to see new videos when I post. I'm also a professional photographer and producer. The money made from the work that I do helps to fund my channels, keep food in my fridge. I've helped thousands of people by creating videos for their products over the last 10 years. If you're a brand or if you have questions, you can email me at reviewcentral.media@gmail.com. If you have a product review inquiry, sample product for testing, or want us to film a video for your team. With over 400 awards, including the YouTube Silver Award, I produce videos for TV channels like Home Shopping Network, QVC, made content for William Shatner and NASA. I filmed videos for Anker and hundreds of other brands. And when you work with me, you work directly with the channels, so every penny you spend actually goes as a production budget. You don't pay any middleman. I have a wide range of pricing to accommodate pretty much anyone. We can even do some videos for free sometimes too, so please reach out. I'd love to help. See you in the next video, everyone. Leave a comment if you have questions or want us to make a video about a certain topic or product. I really hope this video about power stations and solar panels helped you out making your decisions.